A dialog presentation is a presentation with a navigation system that takes place in a conversational mode. How a salesperson sells a product to someone always depends on the level of their communication style. A best man who wants to rent an extravagant limo for a bachelor party and a businessman who broke down on the side of the road and has to get to a meeting real quick, technically both need a car. That means the product is the same, but the motivation is totally different. Maybe you heard this before, that you can sort people's personalities into different colors. Like the red type who wants to get to the point, is very short-tempered, a bit of aggressive and very loud, like me sometimes. Or the blue type, which is very cool and analytical and needs a lot of profound information to make a clear and sound decision. And he's very logical and level-headed. Or the green type. They're very gentle people and are not interested in the hard facts. The green type, they base their purchase decision on the sympathies they have for you and your company. And if you have an appointment with such a green type, do it at the end of your day because you're going to be invited for dinner. Next! Of course, as a salesperson, it's not possible to sit down before every appointment and prepare a presentation according to some personality. That's why we recommend you prepare one presentation with a good navigation so you can respond to the personality type right there, right then when you're in the appointment. According to this typology, it is sufficient to prepare 5 main slides. They should contain information like company core, value proposition, product line, references, and company history. If you have an appointment with one of the red ones, you might be able to touch the product infos, but they want to know right away how much is it and what is in it for me. That might be the shortest presentation you would ever need to deliver. But if you have an appointment with that analytical blue type, you better speak about everything. Your company core, your values, your product line. You branch out from there about all the offers and services, sub-services, and alternatives. Maybe you have a market research you can show them to prove that your product is actually as good as you claim it to be. With that blue type, you better go to every little detail and overload them with information. From every screw size to the phone number of your aunt so she can verify and confirm everything you just said. For the green type, your presentation really doesn't matter. They have already decided if they want to buy your product or not when you exchanged your first few words with them. Maybe you can give them a little background history or talk about your social engagements or something sentimental, something that touches their heart, but your presentation really does not matter here. And how to build a navigation in PowerPoint, prepare the slides, add links, we will post for you in a tutorial under this video.